was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way.
Hello guys, good evening. 7:30 na dito sa Dubai guys, pero ang liwanag pa din. And guys, napakaliwanag pa ng 7:30 dito sa Dubai. 7:30 in the evening. Lalabas tayo guys, maghahanap ng kakainin after work. Ganito ang buhay sa Dubai guys, pagkatapos magtrabaho, maghahanap ng kakainin, magluluto dahil babaunin na naman kinabukasan. And then, kung kailan ko gusto. And then, magluluto ako ng kaunti for my dinner. Mainit na ang aking mantika, guys.